friends. You know what time it is? Yes, it's math carpet time. Yay! On a beautiful day in December. Oliver, you need to stay out of the gingerbread people. Oh, you already ate some? What are we going to do with you? All right, let's get started on our calendar. So we have to figure out what comes after this 15. Right, 16. Makes sense. But what shape will it be? Read the pattern? Yeah, I guess that's the easiest way to figure out which quadrilateral it will be today. Four-sided shape, right? Quadrilateral? Yes. Okay, so we had a square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. Square, rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram. I'm thinking so too. All right, but now we have to figure out, which color will it be, red or green? Let's find out. Okay. Green, green, red. 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 Green. Okay, so a green parallelogram. Isn't that fun to say? Green parallelogram. Green parallelogram. Green parallelogram. That is fun to say, isn't it? Okay, so let's take a look at our green parallelogram. Here it is. So it looks like a rectangle, right? They got kind of tipped over a little bit. Yeah. It doesn't have square corners anymore. But it has two long and two short sides, kind of like a rectangle, but its corners aren't square. So let's put that in there. And today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. All right, let's see what Rocco has in store for us today. Hi, Rocco. So how's it going? Pretty good. Well, that's good. No, couldn't go sledding yet. Nope. Well, maybe we'll get some snow soon. Okay. So I see you turned over some numbers here. Oh, you didn't this time. Who did? Timothy Tiger. Oh, so you and Timothy Tiger were doing some number turning. Okay. So do you want us to do this with without counting? That's what I was kind of thinking you were going to say. Alrighty, well, let's go ahead and figure out. Well, friends, do you think we can figure out which number's up here? Yeah, I'm thinking that's a 0. Rocco, is that a 0? Okay. There's a pattern to these numbers. Okay. Well, you know what? Maybe we'd better keep these out. Okay. So we can figure out what the pattern is. All right. Yep, it's a 0. Okay, so the next one's right here. So this number is between 14 and 16. So we have 14, 16. It's in the teen family, so it starts with a 1. Okay, the first digit will be a 1. The second digit will be, if we look above and below, looks like it's going to be a 5. So a 1 and a 5 would be probably a 15. Rocco, are we looking at a 15 here? Okay, 15. There it is, 15, 1 and a 5. Pattern, huh? Okay, oh boy, so what is this number? Well, all the other numbers after it all begin with a 3. So the first digit on all these numbers is a 3. So I'm guessing probably this one is 2, right? But the second digit, well, yeah, we could look above and below. Okay, so 0, 0. So a 3 and a 0. What would that be? 30. All right. Yeah, like 20, 30, 40. Ah, like when you're counting by tens. Okay, makes sense. Let's see. 30. You knew we were going to say that. How did you know we were going to say that? Oh, because we are so smart. Oh, well, okay. Well, that's nice, Rocco. All right, now the next one. Huh. It's right here. Weird. Okay. So it's just down from this one. It's in this family that all have the first digit sixes. All right. So that'd be the 60s family, right? And so this one probably starts with a 6. Now, we've got a 0 above and a 0 below. So a 6 and a 0. What would that be? 60? All right. Oh, yeah. Look at this. 50, 60, 70. That's when we're counting by tens, right? Okay. 60. Are we right, Rocco? Before I turn it over? Yes? All right. Excellent. There we go. 60. Nice job. And we have to figure out which number is missing from the pattern. Okay? Missing from the pattern. Okay. Hint, hint, Timothy Tiger. Okay, well, thank you, Rocco. Hint, hint, Timothy Tiger. All right, well, we have 0, and then a 15, and then 30, and then a 60. Huh. You know what? Timothy Tiger loves clocks, so maybe we need to look at a clock to help us figure out this mystery. Let's do that. Let's have the clock. Huh. Okay, so let me think. You know what? I see numbers around the outside of the clock. This helps us count by fives around, right, because when we count by fives around the clock, we start at the 12, and then when we count each number, we count by 5. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Oh, so did you hear some of those numbers that Timothy picked? I thought I did too. All right, well, 60, where would that go? Yeah, that one would go at the top, right? Okay, and the 30, where does that go? Well, I see a 30 right down here at the bottom by the 6. Okay, well, I'll put that one down here. Whoop, stay up there, 30. Where does the 15 go? Well, 5, 10, 15. Oh, this is kind of cool how this is shaping up. What was our other number? 0. Oh, I guess we could see it as starting at 0. At the top. So which one's missing? So we have this one, this one, this one, and yeah, the one that's over here. What number is that? Let's count to find out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Oh, there was a number missing in the pattern. Well, where's the 45 on the clock? Well, while we're putting these back, do you see a 45? Well, we know it is below the 30s family, right? So we put the 30 back. And down here is the 40s family, right? So 45 should be in the 40s family. Let's go along till we find the 45. Tell me when. Oh, stop. Ah, there it is, 45. Very nice. So those would be the quarter hours. up here at the top, 15, 30, and 45. Those are the quarter hours. It's like if we divided the clock into 4 pieces, we would have 4 quarters of the clock. And so those are called the quarter hours. 15, 30, 45, and on the hour at 60 or at 0, depending on which way you look at it. Wow, I can kind of see what Timothy was doing. Pretty cool. Well, thank you, Rocco, and be sure and thank Timothy for us. All right, great. Yes, we still have time. We can put that cube on, definitely. I know, he gets so excited about this. Okay, let's put that on. So we still have our 6 tens here, so I'll leave that alone. But now we have added another block. So instead of having 4, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'll go ahead and write that 5 on there. So this is 65. Let's count that. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. That was pretty exciting, yes. Yeah. Well, thanks, Rocco. Let's go check on those gingerbread people. Now, Clara, you look like you're on the watch here. What's going on? Oliver ate 10 gingerbread people? Oh, no. Well, I remember that yesterday we had 114 gingerbread people. I remember that. That was a really cool number. So we had 114. And if you covered up that 100, it's just the number 14, right? But now he ate them. They went away, so we need to put a minus here with a 10. He ate 10 gingerbread people. Oh no, how many are left? All right. Well, I guess we could count. So if we take 14 and we took away 10, how many would be left? We just don't even worry about that 100. If we had 14 and we took away 10 gingerbread people, how many would be left? Okay, you're thinking 4 because I'm thinking of a full 10 frame and 4 more. If we took that 10 frame away, can you see that in your head? Like a full 10 frame and 4 more. Maybe you have to close your eyes to see that. Can you see that in your head? A full 10 frame and 4 more. And if we take away that 10 frame, whoop, away it goes. We only have 4 left, right? Okay, so 14 minus 10 would be 4. Okay, so 114 minus 10 should be 104, right? I think, 104. Let's count and just make sure. Now, Clara, no, Clara, it's okay. Here, you come back here for a minute. Okay, Clara, it's all right. We're on the watch now. We're watching. All right. Okay, Clara, how did you group these? In 5s. Okay, so we have to count these by 5s. Let's do that. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104. That's great. We have 104. How do we write 104 again? I know what we can do. Let's do this. Let's group them in as sets of 10 again, okay? So 2 5s make 10, right? So let's put them in sets of 10. 2 5s make a 10. So we'll take 2 5s and put them together and make 10s. So these are all sets of 10. Okay. Set of 10, set of 10, set of 10, set of 10. This always helps us, doesn't it? Okay, so how many sets of 10 do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 sets of 10. So let's write that down. 10 sets of 10. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 left. 4. Oh, yes, 104. Ah, yes. So if we cover up that, well, it's 0. So the 0 doesn't even work. So we just have 4. Ah, 104. So it's like the 4 is there and the 100's there. And the 0 is just telling us we don't have any extra 10s in there. Oh, very cool. So we had 114. Oliver ate 10 of them. And now we have 104 gingerbread people. Don't worry, Clara. We'll find you some more gingerbread people just in time, okay? Don't worry. Yeah, it'll be okay. Yeah, okay, so maybe Oliver needs to go on a diet. Okay, so while we explain this to Oliver, you have a happy counting day.